Hey YouTube, this is Scott at SNS Design Lab. Today's tutorial is on how to get missing dimensions from a customer supplied print in Draftsight. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, once you have Draftsight open, you can go to attach it, image. I've got the dialog box off screen, but you just want to navigate to your image of your print that has your missing dimensions and click open. Get this dialog box here. Um, you'll want the position at 0, 0. You keep the scale factor at 1. Okay. Then I'll usually come in and just adjust it down a little bit. Hit F8 to turn my ortho off so I could drag it down. Then I'll come over here to properties, to my image properties, and change the transparency down a little bit so we can see our lines a little bit better. Once you get that set, we'll need to draw a line so we can figure out how far off the scaling is. So just L spacebar or return. Draw this to my ortho back on, straight line across. You want to zoom in here, try to get this as close to the edge of the pixels as you can, as reasonably possible. Same thing on the other side, just drag it out. It looks like right about there. Then you want to come up to annotate dimension. So it's saying it's that. So we'll want to do 350 since it's supposed to be 350 divided by 1090.41. So this number here is our scale factor. So we'll want to go ahead and copy that so we don't got to try to remember that crazy number. Come out here and do the scale command. Select the image, spacebar, our base point, we want the corner. Then our scale factor, you'll want to come down here and click, and paste that in there. Just for verification, draw yourself another line, just like we did before. And this is just for verification. Make sure that it's all kosher and good. Drag it up there. Drag it about there. Yep, I'd say it's pretty darn close. So next we'll need a couple construction lines. So XL, spacebar, or enter. So one vertical, one horizontal. You want to zoom in here a little bit. Do a move command. Move that thing down there, just like we did before, about to the edge of the darker pixels. Same thing over here. Move command, slider over to about there. So there's our X and Y 0. We'll do construction line again, XL, about the center there. So from the assembly drawing, I know that the spread vertically is 30 millimeter, and the spread in X is 80 millimeter. So we'll go ahead and do an offset. And since this is in inches, we'll need to convert. So we'll do 80 divided by 25.4. Go ahead and copy that. Come down here and paste it in. Select that line, offset 80. Then spacebar again to repeat the command. 30 divided by 25.4 gives us a wacky number. Go ahead and copy, paste it in there. Boom. That one's a little bit off. It'll never be exact. That one's pretty close. And that one's a little bit off. And do the move command. Hold shift to select both of them. We'll zoom in here. And just move her up just a little bit. And that's just the image scaling issue. You'll see that when you start doing this more often. And this isn't an exact science, but it'll get you really close. So go ahead and create a dimension from our baseline up to our first hole over there, and from our baseline over to this one. So you'll end up with a set of start dimensions, and this will come with experience, working with your specific customers or just in your own travels. I know working with this customer that this is going to be 126 and this is going to be 75. And that's just experience working with the customer. But I have enough information now that I can go in and put this whole pattern in. Then later, I'll be able to verify with other known dimensions on the assembly print as well as the part print to know how close my whole pattern is, and I can always go back and adjust later on. So hopefully this tutorial helps you, and when you're stuck in a difficult situation, and I know it's helped me multiple times. So that's all I had for this tutorial. I'll be posting more, so keep a lookout. Thank you.